How often should office workers stretch throughout the day? I found a study that researched this exact topic. Let's get into it. In this particular study, each of the subjects performed the following stretches: a hip flexor stretch, a chest or pec stretch, hamstring stretch, quad stretch, and a lateral torso stretch. Each stretch was held for 20 seconds and performed 2 times. And the stretches were performed 2 times per week for 3 months in total. And the study found a significant reduction in pain in the following areas: the neck, shoulders, upper back, and lower back. And the study found a little bit of improvement in the following areas as well: thighs, knees, and wrists/hands. So it seems like stretching 2 times per week for 3 months, with each stretch held for 20 seconds, performed 2 times, is the secret sauce. Give this a try when you're sitting at your desk and you're wondering how often you should be stretching throughout the day. It seems like you can find some significant improvements in pain-related function with these parameters. So give them a try and let me know in the comments what you think. And then my question for you is, how often do you stretch right now throughout the day? Do you stretch your wrists, your neck, your low back, your chest? What types of stretches are you doing? And let me know in the comments below, and I'd love to hear from you. And if you're finding value from this content, consider dropping a like or tipping a coffee. It really helps support the channel. In this particular study, shoulder pain was one of the most common ailments that some of the office workers reported in regards to pain in their body. If you're experiencing some shoulder pain from sitting at your desk for long periods of time throughout the day, check out this video above, and I'll see you over there.